If you use ChatGPT regularly, these 5 prompts can save you time almost every day. I use them constantly in my own workflow. The first prompt helps me improve clarity. I use it when my writing feels messy or unorganized. The second prompt helps me extract key takeaways. It's useful when I want the main points without reading everything. The third prompt is great for learning. I use it when I want things explained step by step. The fourth prompt helps me generate ideas. I use it whenever I feel stuck or don't want to start from zero. The fifth prompt turns information into action. I use it to convert notes or ideas into a clear checklist. If you like simple AI workflows like this, subscribe to Neural Toolkit. New videos every week.